A husband and wife decide on a code language whenever they feel like having sex to escape the attention of their son. According to the code language, the wife will be the typewriter and the husband will act as the typist. However, they had a petty quarrel a few days ago and were not talking to each other. One day the husband gets into the mood and he can't hold any longer. So he sends a word to his wife through the son. The son comes and tells her, "Mom, Dad wants to use the typewriter." The wife was on her period at that time, so she said, "Tell Dad, he can't because the red ribbon is on now." The husband misunderstands, and thinks it's a deliberate excuse on her part. The next day the son comes to his dad on an errand from his mom this time and tells him, "Dad, Mom said it is okay now, that the red ribbon is removed and you can type." The husband tells his son, "Tell your mom I don't need to type now. It was urgent, so I've already handwritten it."